Okay, it is payday, Thursday. I don't know, 17th, I think, September 2025. And I just got here. The guys are just starting their lunch. I wanted to talk first about, we've been discussing the doors, and I've gone ahead and decided how I'm going to do the jamb. Sorry, I keep falling out of frame. How I'm going to do the jamb. But first I wanted to show, this is what I decided we're going to do for hinges. I'm going to do a hidden hinge. And we'll have no door casing. Our door will be black, and the jamb will be white, and then we'll have this hidden hinge here. So it's going to look like that. But let's go outside and see what, or inside the house, see what's going on. But here's the outside. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. Here we go. Not much has changed. We got our 4-inch concrete block for our interior wall. We had 600 of those delivered. And let's see what's going on out here. They got their jambs in. So this is how we're going to do the jambs. We're going to be flush instead of recessed back on both sides, inside and outside. But they got these 4 jambs in here now. Still haven't figured out how I'm going to deal with the ceiling, but it shouldn't be too difficult. This is our option for the doors. We've decided to not go with this style or this stain. Maybe we'll use a door like this for the main door. And I don't know where. Oh, here's this door. Well, this isn't as smooth as I was hoping. It's supposed to be a low VOC door, but I sure can smell it. Shows a lot of the flaws. And that's why we're giving this a trial run to see how this goes. I'm not sure if I like it. Here's what the backside looked like before it got painted and primed. Well, this is my first look at this door, so I'm not happy with it. I don't think we're going to go with this. We'll have to come up with a new plan B. We'll call it B.2. It's not very good. Well, I think this door will be okay. This is called Malave. And it's kind of a tropical, traditional Philippine wood. So I think that's good. Now the question would be, I'm toying with the idea of painting the jamb black instead of white. So anyway, opinions, if you got them, share them. Thank you. Okay, so we're not going to do this now. It's okay. That's my wife thinks that this door was 6,000 pesos raw, and that this one here was 16,000. Is that after it was finished?
Yeah.
Yeah, 16,000. I think this is I don't know, I kind of like this look better. I'd like to hear your opinion though. Well, okay, here's a little bit of the second level. Not much has changed since Monday, 3 days ago. But they've got some of these interior walls framed. So this is bedroom 2, if the master bedroom is 1. This would be bedroom 2, and this would be bedroom 3. And again, a bathroom, office, and then stairs up to the roof deck.